we're working on beyond 6 and 8. We're working on the quicks or the slows. And we did a couple specific things. Here's one. Sorry. Rock, step, 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 zoop-a-doo, hop. Zoop-a-doo, hop. You can call it a rock and go. Rock and go. It's really a triple step, but I have to go 2 directions with it. So I shortened the next swing out by 2 counts. Kind of compressed that time. The end of one and the beginning of the next got combined. Then, and we have to do that from here, not from here. And followers have to really commit to something so that they're catchable there.
Yeah, you're kind of like caught by surprise.
Yeah, then we worked on, sort of, we have a simple turn, about what we do a faster version. 1, 2, 3, 4, here. Again, slow and easy. And we take a 6 count and we make it 4. It comes from here, and what we found is that that's the thing people have difficulty with, is really moving from here. It's a way that we're trying to connect on our basics. And it seems like everyone can actually take a nice step back and just like look at your basics. It's a simple enough step to get a hold of and really do some of the stuff you know you should be working on. Try and do best behavior and really get out of your arms so much, connect more here if you can in your basics. That was a big thing for everything we tried tonight.
And we played a game.
We played a game. The game was?
Yeah, forwards kind of like gave their leaders point A and point B, and leaders had to figure out a move essentially. Maybe a new move, maybe a new like kind of sequence of things. So like for example, a simple one, like it's from hand to hand.
And where does it end?
And it ends like over here. This is a very simple one.
Okay, cool. So, we did it!
Yeah.
So you can do easier ones like that, you
Yeah.
can do harder ones, like weird places to end. The idea was that the followers pose a challenge to the leaders, and leaders have to sort of start to work it out in terms of how they lead and follow stuff, and the followers can help to that lead and follow, and also help to ground it in actual steps and triple steps. Does it work? Does it feel possible to do?
Yeah.
And we kind of get those things in there. What we're trying to do is basically take the dance and think about quicks and slows. So that's how we talk to each other up here, moving quickly from one side of the body or slowly. And the footwork you can't control so much, it comes out of that other thing. So everything kind of points back to the very old and very annoying, and every teacher says it, use your body to connect a little bit. I think we all need to work on that a little bit more. We'll be trying to do that, I think, every month in some way, but this is really, really specific. So homework is, go try and get some swing outs and simple stuff, have a dance with the pal, where you guys just try to do the connection as well as you can without a lot of arm work, doing it from here, and I think you return to some of these challenges and it'll be a little bit easier.